A good gaming desk is an essential part of any serious gamer's setup. It not only provides a dedicated space for your gaming rig but also allows for better ergonomics, cable management, and organization. The best gaming desks come in various sizes, materials, and designs, and can be customized to fit your specific needs. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best gaming desks that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 5. 7 Warrior L Shaped Gaming Desk. The 7 Warrior L Shaped Gaming Desk is a sleek and modern computer desk designed for gamers. With its black color and alloy steel base, it exudes a stylish and contemporary vibe. The desk features a carbon fiber surface and particle board top, finished with a laminated coating for durability. One of the standout features of this gaming desk is the built-in LED lights, which offer unlimited colors and 20 light patterns. You can dim the lights and choose your favorite color, creating an immersive gaming ambience. The LED lights also have a memory function, so they will stay on the last mode when turned on. Control is made easy with a 17-key remote and controller box. In addition to its aesthetics, the desk is designed for functionality and convenience. It includes a built-in socket with 4 outlets and 2 USB ports, allowing you to charge your devices while gaming. The full monitor stand provides extra storage space and promotes better posture, while the cup holder and headphone hook keep your essentials within reach. Number 4. Bestier Gaming Desk. The Bestier Gaming Desk is a remarkable choice for gamers and professionals alike. With its rectangular shape and sleek black carbon fiber color, this computer desk exudes an industrial style that enhances any gaming or workspace environment. The desk's base material is constructed from sturdy metal, ensuring long-lasting durability and stability. The top material is made of engineered wood, featuring a laminated finish that adds a touch of elegance to the overall design. One of the standout features of this gaming desk is the inclusion of a cool LED light. With 7 color selections and 20 dynamic modes, the LED light creates a captivating atmosphere that enhances your gaming or working experience. Additionally, the Bestier Gaming Desk offers practicality with its reversible shelf and storage bag. The reversible shelf allows you to customize your desk setup according to your preferences, while the storage bag provides a convenient solution for organizing your accessories. Crafted with the highest quality materials, such as Carb P2 class board and durable steel, this desk is designed to withstand years of use without warping or deformations. The X crossbar further enhances stability, ensuring a reliable and secure gaming or working surface. Get ready to immerse yourself in your tasks with the Bestier Gaming Desk, a stylish and functional addition to any workspace. Number 3. ODK L Shaped Desk. The ODK L Shaped Desk is a versatile and stylish furniture piece that combines functionality and modern design. With its L-shaped configuration, this desk is designed to fit perfectly in corners, making it an ideal choice for those looking to maximize limited space. Whether you need a gaming desk, a home office workstation, or a writing desk, the ODK L Shaped Desk is suitable for various purposes. Constructed with a sturdy metal base and a wooden top, this desk offers durability and stability for everyday use. The black color and sleek design add a touch of elegance to any room decor, while the adjustable feature allows you to customize the desk height according to your preference. The ODK L Shaped Desk also features a convenient monitor shelf, providing extra space for your computer or laptop. Its easy assembly process ensures a hassle-free setup, allowing you to start using the desk in no time. Overall, the ODK L Shaped Desk is a space-saving and practical solution for modern living. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a gamer, this desk offers a comfortable and organized workspace. Number 2. VITESSE Gaming Desk. The VITESSE Gaming Desk is a sleek and functional piece of furniture designed for avid gamers and computer enthusiasts. With its impressive dimensions of 63 inches in length and a rectangular shape, it provides ample space for multiple monitors, gaming peripherals, and other essentials. The desk design is specifically tailored for computer use, making it an ideal workstation for gaming, programming, and general office tasks. Crafted with a modern aesthetic in mind, the VITESSE Gaming Desk features a stylish black color and a laminated finish, giving it a contemporary and professional look. The base material is made of durable alloy steel, ensuring stability and longevity. The top material is high-quality wood, providing a smooth and comfortable surface for extended use. One standout feature of this gaming desk is its ergonomic design, which promotes a healthy and comfortable gaming experience. With its optimal height of 29.5 inches, it helps reduce strain on the neck, shoulders, and wrists during long gaming sessions or work hours. Number 1. Mr. Ironstone L Shaped Desk. The Mr. Ironstone L Shaped Desk is a versatile and functional piece of furniture designed for computer gaming, home office work, and writing tasks. Its L-shaped design offers ample space for multitasking and allows for efficient use of corner areas in your room. With a sleek and modern style, this desk seamlessly fits into any contemporary decor. Crafted with a sturdy metal base and a top made of engineered wood, this desk provides a durable and stable workspace. The laminated finish adds a touch of elegance while protecting the surface from scratches and stains. One notable feature of the Mr. Ironstone L Shaped Desk is its large monitor stand, which elevates your screen to an ergonomic height, reducing strain on your neck and eyes. The desk also offers adjustable options, allowing you to customize the height to your preference. Assembly of the desk is quick and hassle-free, thanks to the easy-to-follow instructions and included tools. The black color adds a sense of sophistication to any space, making it a versatile addition to your home or office setup. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or a student, the Mr. Ironstone L Shaped Desk offers a spacious and stylish workstation for all your needs. Thanks for watching. A good gaming desk is essential for any serious gamer who wants to optimize their setup and stay comfortable during long gaming sessions. From large L-shaped desks to compact options, there are plenty of gaming desks on the market to suit all needs and budgets. We hope this video has helped you choose the right gaming desk for your setup. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming and tech-related content.